My name is Adya, and since the morning I was debating with myself, should I make this video or not? Should I make this video or not? Because I've seen a weird dream today, and then I thought, why not, Adya? Let's just make a video on this. So hello, hi. If you are free enough to just sit and relax and listen to my dream, then welcome. The story starts at my grandparents' home, and there I don't exactly know, but there is some occasion or something. So all my father and all of his siblings are there at the home along with their families. And I'm just sitting there doing nothing with my best. Then my grandmother comes to me. By the way, she has passed away in real life. So yeah, so my grandmother comes to me and she asks me that there's this present she wants me to wrap and do something very crafty on it. So I was like, okay then. So I started doing all this. Again, I'm sitting with my friend and she's telling me like how exams are approaching, telling me that the first exam is on 29th January at 9 a.m. and again I'm like And as I was finishing with wrapping that gift, I look at the calendar and I do realize that it is 29th January and it's all happening very early in the morning, so it's around like 6 a.m. right now. And I was like, shit man. But then I'll be like, okay, ठीक है, it's just English literature, I'll be fine. So I wasn't very worried about the exam itself, but I was worried at how I'll reach there. I don't even have my admit card and my ID card and stuff. And then my brother comes to me and he hands me over this brown pouch, and in that brown pouch there are my ID card, my admit card and all that stuff I need for my exam. So I'm like, dang. Now my grandmother's like, now start preparing for exam. Don't want to be late. And I'm like, okay. And I'm just packing a lot of stuff for my exam. She has given me freshly made samosas, and I'm keeping the freshly made samosas wrapped in a brown paper in my bag for my exam. And then I thought I should go and get ready as well. So I was going into this room where my uniform is supposed to be. So as I go inside the room, I see that one of my uncle was going inside the bathroom. I'll get ready once he comes out. And I turns and looks out of the room, and that's exact same uncle which just inside the bathroom, crossed from the door. If he's there, then who's that guy? And then that uncle comes inside the room and I tells him this exact same thing, like, you just went inside the bath? And he's like, no, I was there the whole time. And then we both sits down and waits for this imposter, like, who's this guy? And then as soon as he comes out, this uncle jumps onto him and he starts shaking him and asking like, who are you, what you doing there? And the imposter's not saying anything, and immediately he just vanishes into the thin air, like boom, gone. And I'm like, what the hell just happened? And even the uncle was like, what's happening? And there in the garden there's a cot, and on that cot, like, the younger son of my aunt and the uncle's younger son was sitting there, and he was sitting in front of a cooler. And in my dream world, it was normal that if you're sitting in front of a cooler, you can levitate, you can fly above the ground like this high. But he was a big man, like 6'2" with good build, and he was flying so high, like he was flying like 2 or 3 feet high above the ground. And I'm like, wait a minute, how is it even possible that such a good built person is flying so high just by sitting in front of the cooler? And then that guy realized that someone is looking at him, so he starts staring at me like, and I'm like, bye. And then I comes back to the living room, and when I tell it to my grandmother, like, something paranormal is happening here, and she's like, we should do something about it. And then my grandmother tells me to take Lord Shiva's name, and I was, who I take Lord Shiva's name? I should be taking the name of Hanumanji. Hanumanji is a protector, man. Once you take Hanumanji's name, Bhoot Pisach Nikat Nahi Aave. It means if you take Hanumanji's name, the ghosts and evil spirits will not come closer to you. So I should be taking his name, but as she told me to take Lord Shiva's name, and what's the problem in taking Lord Shiva's name? Lord Shiva is believed to be favorite god of ghosts. I was like, okay, I was a little hesitant in taking his name, but I'm like, okay, as she told me, I should. So I'm like, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. And everyone in my house starts taking his name, trying to raise the vibration of our house so that all these negative energies will leave this house. So now I was like, okay, now they can handle, and I should go to my college and give my exam. my grandmother sees me off, and now me and my best friend Jenny are standing right in front of my house's front door, and I just looks at her and I ask her, can we reach our college on time? And she says, we will. And she transforms into little Jackie Chan, and then she starts running and she yells, we'll be taking the shortcuts, dude. And I was running along with her, and we reaches our college. I was sitting inside the classroom writing my exam with one hand like and from the other hand I'm taking out these samosas from my bag and eating these samosas. And then this exam gets over and we comes out of our examination hall. So how we are going to go back to our houses? And she's like, we are going to take the proper route. Like, okay, same route which includes shallow rivers, the currents and streams. And I was so excited. Now I'll be going back to the same route and I'll take out my phone and record everything. Then suddenly the song starts playing and the song got louder and louder. And then my dream got over and I realized this damn guy is calling me. I mean, I got so pissed. Only this one day I get from my office as off, and this guy has the audacity to call me early in the morning. I mean, only on weekends I like to sleep in, and I don't even care about disturbing my sleep, but this guy has shattered my dreams. Why this happens that as soon as you reach the best point of your dream gets over. It was a really weird dream, but if you watched the entire video, thanks for watching and stay safe, be happy. Now we'll meet in the next video. Bye.